Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. So still under the logarithm differentiation. So this one I need you to recall back the properties of logarithm. Okay, this is when you study from the SPM matrix. Okay, this is so ln xy means that x times y. Okay, times x times y. So it could be ln x plus, okay, here plus ln y, and then the second properties is ln x divided by y. Okay, ln x divided by y can also be written like ln x because it is divided, means that it can be ln x minus ln y. And then the properties for the third thing is the ln x squared, mean that it got power here. Okay, power. So the power, it also can be written as the 2, we bring it in front of the expression. So it will be like this one. Okay. Okay, now we go for the question. Another question for the logarithm. Okay, the logarithm differentiation. So the question asks to find, so we need to differentiate this expression using the logarithm differentiation. Okay, logarithm differentiation means that it can be log, okay, in terms of log or ln. So I prefer to do in the ln lah. Okay, usually we solve it using ln lah. Okay, so y we write back equals to x squared plus 1 power of 2. Okay, and then since that we need to make it in the log, okay, in the logarithm differentiation, therefore we put ln. If we put it, we create ln at the left side, so we also need to put ln in the right side. Okay, ln, and then x squared plus 1. Don't forget that we have squared here. And then after that, from the properties of logarithm, okay, we can separate x and this equation. So it will become ln x. Separate means that since this is multiplication, so we can put it plus here, and then put ln here, and then this equation. Okay, x squared plus 1 and then squared. So see here, x we go here, this the first term x here. Okay, the x here we put it x here. Okay, the first term, and then x squared plus 1 squared here we put for the second term. So we have plus here. And then since that here we got squared, right? We got squared here. Okay, the squared means that the power we can make it in front of the expression. So 2 ni kita letak kat depan, and then we put ln, and then x squared plus 1. So this is how it came lah. Okay, and then so this is the simplest thing that we can make for the ln. Okay, then since that we need to make it in terms of dy over dx, means that we need to differentiate this whole equations. Therefore we will differentiate the whole equation lah. So at the left side we differentiate ln y, and at the right side we differentiate this expression lah. Okay, ln x plus 2 ln x squared plus 1. Okay, and then we start to differentiate. So differentiate the left side first. Differentiate, okay, ln y. Okay, we need to differentiate ln y. So differentiate ln y, it will be 1 over y. Don't forget, anything that differentiate the y, it will be times dy over dx. We learn this from implicit, okay, implicit differentiation. Okay, and then equals to, okay, now we need to differentiate ln x, and then we differentiate the 2 ln x squared plus 1. Okay. Okay, this one, okay, at the left side, okay, at the left side, we have differentiate it. Now we differentiate here lah. Okay, this one just write back. So differentiate ln x will get 1 over x lah. So differentiate ln x squared plus 1. So 2 is the constant, right? Sorry. 2 is the constant, just write it back. Okay, and then over, okay, over, just to write it back, then over. Okay, ln, differentiate ln, we need to do the rational lah. So now we bring the ln here lah. So x squared plus 1. So this is how you differentiate ln. Okay, and then don't forget that x squared plus 1 can be differentiated. The inner one can be differentiated. Okay, this one can be differentiated. So we differentiate the inner one lah, x squared plus 1. Okay, so 1 over y dy over dx equals to 1 over x. We write back, and then we put 2, and then make it in the simplest way, simplest expression, and then don't forget we need to differentiate. Okay, we need to differentiate x squared plus 1. So we will get differentiate x squared plus 1, we get 2x. Okay, and then we make it in the simplest equation. So 2 times 2x will get 4x. And then don't forget the denominator. Okay, we write back. Okay, since that the question asks to find dy over dx. Okay, so we need to make dy over dx here stand alone at the left side. Okay, therefore we write dy over dx stand alone here at the left side. So 1 over y. Okay, 1 over y, we will bring it to the right side. Okay, therefore it will become, when we bring it at the right side, it will be y lah. From 1 over y, when we bring it at the right side, it will be y lah. Okay, so write back this whole equation. We write back. So 1 over x plus 4x x squared plus 1. Okay, this is the answer.